Hi friends! Hola mis amigos and welcome back o bienvenido al Playgarden Prep. My name is Miss Canitra, o en español, Señorita Canitra. And today we'll be learning some letter T o letra T, words in Spanish o en español. And I love learning words in Spanish, so let's get started. First up we have 2 fingers and a drum roll please. Train, train, train starts with the letter T, and train in Spanish is tren, tren. Your turn, tren. Train in Spanish is tren. Train in Spanish is tren. Trains are used for transportation. Train in Spanish is tren. Tren. Train. Train. O en español, tren. Next up we have 2 more fingers and a drum roll please. Tomato, tomato. Tomato starts with the letter T, and tomato in Spanish is tomate. Tomate. Your turn. Tomate. Tomato in Spanish is tomate. Tomato in Spanish is tomate. Tomatoes are red fruits. Tomato in Spanish is tomate. Tomate. Tomato, tomato, o en español, tomate. And last up we have 2 more fingers and a drum roll please. Tiger, tiger. Tiger starts with the letter T, and tiger in Spanish is tigre. Tigre. Your turn, tigre. Tiger in Spanish is tigre. Tiger in Spanish is tigre. Tigers are apex predators. Tiger in Spanish is tigre. Tigre. Tiger. Tiger. O en español, tigre. Well, friends, we learned 1, 2, 3, o 1, 2, 3 palabras en español today. What? Let's review. Train o tren. Train is used for transportation. Tomato o tomate. Tomatoes are red fruits. Tiger o en español, tigre. Tigers are apex predators. Gracias. Gracias so much for learning and speaking Spanish with me today. Thank you guys. Hasta la vista. I'll see you next time.